Your best advice to contractors that will help them avoid disputes with insurance companies in claims.
Yeah, that's really important to me. And every time I talk to contractors, I say the same two things. Number one, play the long game. Don't try to win the storm on every claim. All right, play the long game. There's plenty of money to be made in this business. If you're reasonable and are not trying to get rich on every claim, there's so much going on out there. Disasters keep happening. It's getting worse. So play the long game. Create a reputation that's positive on both sides. I can move a lot of business to contractors when disputes come into my office, and I refer a lot of people to reputable contractors on the other side because I know they'll be reasonable. And number two, I'll say it again, and as Chad said, I say be nice, be kind. All right, work together in the process. And if we work together, you're working cooperatively with the other side. Adjusters have no desire to extend claims. They want to get them resolved. They just need a basis to pay. Give them that basis. Lastly, sbadger@zell.com. If an issue ever comes up, send me an email and I'll help talk it through with you and see what I can do to help you resolve the issue.
Write it down. Write it all down. At whatever time, get in the habit of keeping a journal. And when you're meeting adjusters or whomever they send out, make sure you write down the details at that time. Create the habit. And if you can't get the claim properly paid and you have to send it on, then you already have those notes to send on to the PA or the attorney. That's the biggest bit of advice I can give you. Because memories fade, and it doesn't help. I mean, it could be the most egregious confrontation on the roof that there can be, but if you don't write it down, it doesn't matter. Calling me up on the phone and saying, hey, Chad, oh man, this guy was such a jackass. I mean, the hail damage was terrible. This poor lady, there's wind damage. Great, I appreciate it, but write it down.